Yeah, friends. Good evening to all. Welcome to AI with Durga Sir. Okay. So almost 4 sessions we completed every day, just 5 minutes. 4 sessions we completed. The day one, we discussed about what is AI. Okay. AI is simple. Man made thinking power. Mission intelligence. Okay, not artificial. Artificial means not natural. Mission intelligence. Intelligence means thinking power. Man made thinking power is the AI. The second session, what I started, generative AI. Okay, AI tool which can create something new, is called generative AI. Remember that, which can create, that can generate content, that can generate audio, that can generate video, okay, that can generate designs, images, like which can generate something. Such type of AI tool is by default considered as generative AI tool. Next, in the third session, we had wonderful discussion, Google versus ChatGPT. Because so in our session there are some layman's maybe there. Okay, Google and ChatGPT both are same. In the olden days, Google the people used, but now the people are using ChatGPT. No, both are different. Remember this. Google is a search engine. Okay, Google can be used to search the required information. We will find information in the Google. Array, which books are best, or which tutorials I want to learn Java. Okay, can you please provide some Java tutorials for me? Okay, such type of thing, to find links, or to find documents. Google is the best, because it is search engine. Just like a librarian job, who is going to take care is Google is going to take care. But so Google will provide information. Next, you have to open that information. You require to process that information based on your requirement. What I will do, if any subject I require to handle. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, today AI is there. So if I'm depending on Google, what I will do here, array AI, generative AI or agentic AI, can you please provide some information, like so generative AI top 10 topics or top 20 topics, like I'm going to get some links from the Google. What I will do is I will copy paste the data from these links into a document form. I will take the printout and I will do spiral binding. I will refer. From that, I will extract my notes. Okay, this is so who is the responsible to prepare the notes, to extract the notes, everything I require to take care. Okay, because Google will provide information, that's all, in my required form, in my human understandable form, my job. But ChatGPT is not search engine, it is answer engine. Okay, so I can ask ChatGPT, so act as a generative AI trainer. Observe that. Act as generative AI trainer. Can you please provide 5 important points about generative AI? Then automatically ChatGPT is going to provide, Durga, this is the first point, this is the second point, like so it will explains. Okay, this is, it will explains in our required format. Okay, like so assume that I'm 10 years old, a school student. Can you please provide in my understandable form generative AI terminology? Then automatically, yes, ChatGPT is going to provide. So ChatGPT is the AI tool. Google is not AI tool. Google is the search engine. ChatGPT is the answer engine. Okay, it is a trained in such a way that just like human, it is going to explain. Okay, it's a trained in that style. Just like a human, it's going to explain. So please make sure it is which can be used. ChatGPT can be used to explain the things. Google can be used to search the things. Okay, like next, so that's all. This is about Google versus ChatGPT at very top level. We covered in the third session. Next, the fourth session, 5 minutes concept yesterday. What we discussed is, I hope you people may remembered well. Okay, the concept AI is already in our daily life. Okay, morning, you just after wake up, you are going to touch, where is my mobile? then face lock is there. Okay, then immediately face lock you are going to check. You are going to open unlock by using face by using facial expression. Just you are going to unlock the mobile. Next, you are going to order food items. Next, you are going to use maps, Google Maps, like bank UPI transactions you are going to do. So morning to evening, either directly or indirectly, you are already using AI. AI is a part of our life. Remember this one. Okay, AI is part of our life. Okay, like so by mistake, if I search it in Amazon, then automatically for shoe or otherwise for a particular book, if I search it in Amazon, then automatically so just AI Amazon AI identified my taste, then immediately it's going to show your recommended books, okay, like automatically it's going to provide because it identified my niche or it identified my taste. Observe that. Next, if I saw a particular video in the YouTube, in the YouTube, how much time you are spending in the YouTube, AI is going to calculate. How many on which content you are spending the time, AI is going to calculate. Which content you are skipping, AI is going to calculate. Next up, for which content you shared, you commented, AI is going to decide. Then automatically AI will become very smart. What it will do is it is always keep on generating the content, providing the content based on your interest only, so that YouTube people main intention is you have to engage on the YouTube. So huge day. If it is the 24 by 7, then the YouTube people are going to feel very happy. Okay, remember that's why. So if you are fan of Narendra Modi, one or two videos you are seeing, then automatically all the remaining videos are Narendra Modi videos only. So Google from where it's going to search, Are Narendra Modi, like better to keep. Durga Sir is the fan of Narendra Modi. Something like it's good. If I'm seeing, so something like, okay, some particular heroine videos I'm seeing, then automatically it's always going to, because I'm already interested. I like that heroine. Then obviously more time I'm going to engage. Observe that. Then suppose if you choose one shirt, okay, Levi's shirt you took with the L size, assume that. Then automatically if any new shirt is coming, Levi's new dress is ready for you, so it's a recommended, can you please have a look once. Keep on getting emails, keep on getting in the ads, like multiple. So AI is part of our life. Okay, not in future, it's already in presence. Okay, AI is a knowing, is a tracking your taste, tracking your habits. Everything is going to be tracked by AI, believe me. Okay, AI is already in daily life. Next thing, today's topic, a bit emotional. A bit emotional, but very important topic for you people. Can AI replace jobs? Okay, can AI replace jobs? This is the topic what I want to discuss for you people. 1 minute, friends. Can AI can AI replace jobs? Yeah, what is the answer you are going to tell, friends? Okay, just I want to spend some time, okay, about fear versus reality. Okay, just with my knowledge, with my scope, I want to talk some time about this concept, fear versus reality. Okay, the AI is going to replace our jobs or not? Yes, friend, what the answer you can?
Replace, sir.
Replace?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
AI is replace our jobs or not?
Yes,
Okay,
replace.
yeah, please make sure most of
The
the people, of
AI
course, with
will
my,
replace the AI will replace the job of those who don't know AI.
yeah, who don't know AI.
AI, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So here, fear versus reality, just observe that. Will AI take my job? Will AI take my job? So will I become useless? Will I become useless? Like this is the most of the people's doubt. Sir, will AI take my job? Take my job? This is the bigger question for most of the people. Sir, will will I become okay useless? Will I become useless? Maybe a bit harsh terminology, but just this is internally most of the people's feeling, friends. Okay, like do you know? Yes, some up to my knowledge, up to my known information, up to my prediction. Just I will tell to you the originality in my perspective. Okay, need not be matched, but anyway. So observe that. Do you know our life almost everyone in this session 30s, 40s, or 20s. Correct, right? You respond.
Right,
20
right.
plus, 30 plus, 40 plus. Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
At what time calculator came? We don't know. We don't know. That was so calculators at the time of our birth only calculators were there. At the time of our birth only computers also were there. Okay, we are not eyewitness calculator came in our era or computers came in our era. Like no. Once calculators came, in the olden days, the style is mathematics means calculations means the people we require to calculate. The people who are coming from village background, in my childhood, I remembered. Okay, my father is always, do you know, cotton. So daily wages calculation. Next and after that, if he sold the cotton, then automatically amount is going to come. Hare per quinta this much, these many quintas, these many kgs, how much money is going to come, or otherwise. So today 20 daily wage people came tomorrow. So yesterday, so for this person, how much money we require to give? So they will ask me to sit almost around 6 o'clock if I'm going to sit up to 9 o'clock. That calculations only I'm going to do that. Okay, earlier, of course. So next, even in the milk booth also, there is a government milk collection center is there. So there is my friend. Hare, can you please come tomorrow morning? We have to give the money. Can you please calculate for each and every card holder how much money we require to give? Like he will ask me. Then automatically I spend some 3 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours there with them. Then I will prepare that. At my childhood, do you know? Whenever calculator came, most of the people feel that teacher jobs will be gone. Okay, teachers are not required. Calculator is one big invention. So what we call it's big creation kind of thing in those era. Okay, not in our childhood. We are not yet born at that time. Do you know it's a calculator? Hurry, teachers are not required. Calculators came like a bit scary, a bit scary. But believe me, if the calculator replaces any job,
No,
observe
sir.
carefully.
No.
If the
No,
calculator replaces any job, no impact. No impact. Calculators are there, humans are there, teachers are there. Next, very dangerous. At least this information you people may aware. Computers came in Telugu. In the Telugu language, I can use the word computerization. 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 Okay. Whenever bank people doing computerization or computers are started, every area is computerization is going to be happen. Then automatically all bank employees, all clerk level employees, all accountant level employees, they got they rejected like anything, man. Do you know? So there are some what we call band, next strike. These kind of things are happen whenever computerization is happen. How many people aware this? It's
Yes, sir.
going to it's going to kill our jobs. Okay, so that's why we don't want to entertain these bloody computers. Okay, human jobs only must be required, otherwise our employment by default will be gone. Like at the time of computerization, do you know these type of fights came, this type of strikes came. How many people aware? I don't know. Yes, believe me, that thing happened, especially in the banking sector. Banking sector. Next to these CPI, CPM people are there, right? Communist Party people. Those people especially involved in this. We are against to the computerization, like. But what happened is computers came. The way of doing the things got changed. The roles got changed. The way of doing the things got changed. The way of rules got changed, but still humans are required. I remember in 1998 to 2002, my BTech days. My BTech. My account was there in the Canara Bank. Scholarship monthly 500 rupees I will get. Okay, some BC scholarship, something like. I remembered. I have to go to the bank. There is a passbook will be there. I have to go to the bank. Then bank person, accountant will be there. There is a big book is there. He is going to open that book and is going to enter my account number and 300 rupees withdraw. He is going to write in that, and then in my passbook he is going to enter 300 rupees withdraw, 200 rupees is the balance, like so that person is going to give to me. Anyone having this type of experience with you people? No, no. So senior
Yes.
citizen in the total, in the senior citizen in this total session is myself only, it seems.
No, there is one more senior.
One more there.
Yeah.
Okay. Remember. So what happened is now computers came, ATM machines came, UPI transactions came. Still, bank people are there, banks are there, work is going on. Remember this one, work is going on. Correct. Okay, like so everyone felt that jobs will be gone. But jobs are there. Earlier per bank, 20 or 25 members are required. Now, branch is going to be maintained with some 5 members or 6 members. With 5 to 6 members only, total branch is going to be maintained because everything is online. Okay, net banking came. Next, ATMs came. UPI transactions are there. The people who are visiting the bank, so obviously got reduced. Then automatically, okay, the number of employees reduced. Of course, the number of employees reduced, but still jobs are there. Jobs are there. Remember this, the bank number of branches are increasing day by day. Yes, jobs are there. Means that nothing will happen to our jobs. But there are some jobs are very risky. I will explain that also. But nothing, there is no big impact is going to be happen. Nothing. Okay, AI also. With AI also, definitely there should be an impact, but not required to worry at all. Not required to worry at all. Okay, just the life changed, work changed, but people did not change. The way of doing the things are going to be changed. The rules are going to be changed. Okay, but people are not going to be replaced. Okay, people did not end. Don't feel that okay, human life is going to end or with AI something like no such a type of thing. Still some jobs are safe, but some jobs clear impact is already there. Of course, already not started, already ended. Also, there are some jobs. Okay, which type of jobs I will explain for you people, right? Okay, so AI is going to replace our jobs or not. Some work will change, some roles are going to be changed, new roles will come. Remember this one, new roles will come. Okay, like so which type of jobs are going to be affected? Boring jobs are going to be gone. The most boring jobs. Okay, the most repetitive work where creative thinking is not required. Copy paste. Okay, repetitive work. If anywhere repetitive work, if anywhere boring work is there, such type of jobs by default will be gone. Remember this one, sir. AI won't replace all the jobs, but there are some jobs definitely are going to be impacted. Okay, there are some jobs are going to be impacted. So something like boring work, boring jobs are going to boring jobs are going to be replaced. Okay, are completely gone. AI will support smart people. Remember this one. AI will support smart people. Okay, so now the people power is going to be raised like anything. Suppose one person can do one work, but one person with AI can do 10% work. Observe very carefully. Let me repeat again. One person can do one work. Then to do 10 works, 10 persons are required. But now with AI, what will happen is one person with AI, 10 people's work automatically can do. So smart people, that one person is the luckiest person. That one person is the luckiest person. The person with AI, okay, that person can do 10 people's work. Remember this one. Next, AI will create some new jobs, new roles also. Earlier, we don't know prompt engineer. We don't know. Next, agent designer or agentic expert. We don't know. Next, gen AI engineer. Like, we don't know. Next, agentic AI engineer. We don't know. But these new roles came because of AI. Sir, before AI, have you ever heard about prompt engineering? Respond, friends.
No, sir.
Have you ever heard about prompt engineering before AI?
No, no.
No, no, sir.
Prompt engineering is the word you are hearing for the last 2 to 3 years onwards. Correct, right?
Yes, yes.
Generative AI, Gen AI engineer. What your role? Gen AI engineer. That role, have you heard before 2 to 3 years before?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Agentic AI engineer. Agentic AI engineer. We are hearing now only. So means that new roles are going to be created. New roles are going to be created. So important point is new roles are coming. To adapt these roles compulsory, we require to adapt this new technology. Remember that old repeated jobs, boring jobs by default will be gone. But new roles are also going to be created. To util these new roles, compulsory we require to adapt that technology. Then obviously we are fit for these new roles. Okay, remember. So if any person is doing same work daily, if any person is doing repeated work, if any person is doing only copy paste work, if any person is doing thinking is not required, man, repeated work, all these jobs are going to be automated with AI. Okay, something like data entry jobs. Next, call customer care. Do you know customer care? Earlier customer care, the people are making a call and people are talking. But these days, no, AI agents are making a phone call. So it is understanding your response also. Have you remembered these days from the banks are you getting the phone call related to the your credit card bill or related to any bank transactions? Do you know AI agents are going to come. Okay, human touch by default gone there because it's a repeated job, repeated task. Okay, like next, even in chat windows. Do you know? Suppose in the website, chat box is there. That chat box earlier, there is a person we require to arrange 24 by 7, 3 shift we require to keep. And if any person asking the question, can you please provide support for them? Like now, a simple AI agent is going to take care that complete chatting. One AI agent we are going to keep. We are going to install one AI agent, set up one AI agent. Now that 3 people 24 by 7 shift no longer required, this AI agent is going to work because it's a repeated job. So customer care jobs, data entry jobs, next manual reports generation, these kind of things will be gone. Remember this one. So which jobs will be there, sir? You people may ask the question, which jobs may be there? Where thinking is required, where smart thinking is required, that jobs will be there. Where more creativity is required, that jobs will be there. More creativity is required, that jobs will be there. Where decision making is required, AI can't take decisions. Decision making is required. Yes. Where that jobs will be there. Where human touch is there required, that jobs is there. So remember, AI can tell how to prepare a tasty fish curry. Wow. AI is going to tell Durga, you require to do that, and so on. Can I ask AI, can you please taste and let me know how this taste looks, how the taste is. Can you please let me know, AI? Can you please confirm? AI is going to taste. He can taste and tell the result.
No.
AI, I will ask. AI, can you please take care about this? Can't care. Like human, it can't. AI, can you smell some bad smell I'm getting? Can you please smell it? As of now, no. AI, can you please love me? Love, can you please love me? Where human centric, such type of jobs not going to be replaced with AI. Okay, especially so for BTech level, MTech level, intermediate level, AI can provide it lessons. But school level, nursery level, LKG level, UKG level, human touch must be required. Okay, directly robo is going to take care, or otherwise humanoid is going to take care. Such type of things for kid level, no, such type of thing. Hotel business, there is no replacement. Hotel business, there is no replacement. Teacher, there is no replacement. Of course, high end maybe the process is going to be simplified, learning is going to be simplified. Make sure compulsory teacher must be required at least at foundation level. Okay, next doctors, manager. So can I replace AI politician with AI? I respond.
No, sir.
Can I replace politicians with AI?
No, sir.
No.
No way. No
That would
way.
be great if
Politician
it
is
is.
always politician. Politician is always politician only. Okay. No one is going to replace that person. Next, can I replace a leader? Leader with AI? No such type of possibility. Entrepreneurs, can I replace with AI? No such type of possibility. Still, human touch must be required. Human touch must be required. Okay. Remember this one. AI can't care. AI can't feel. AI can't inspire. Can't inspire. Suppose I want to give the motivation for you people. Array, you can achieve anything in your life. Just there is a concept is called law of attraction. Better to util. So this is the way. These are the examples. Like I want to motivate you. I want to inspire you. I can't do that. Okay. So means that just like calculator world, just like computer world, AI also the roles are going to be changed. New roles are going to come. Some work is going to be replaced. Repetitive work, these kind of things. But believe me, 100 members work, one agent is going to do. That repeated work. Okay. Creativity kind of thing, smart designing kind of thing. Okay. Human centric, such type of jobs AI can't touch. Next, especially in the software. This line is the most important line for you people. Standard line with respect to the AI. Better to spell out at least one person. AI will not replace you. Are you going to accept? You respond.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Are you
Yes, sir.
respond, friends? AI will not replace you. Are you going to accept this statement?
Yes.
Respond. Some emotions or some reactions must be required. Yes, no.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? AI
Not right.
will not replace you. So don't feel that much happy. Second line. Second line. I'm going to type. Lejan. A person using AI will replace you. Better to take in your notes these two lines. Please take these two lines in your notes. AI will not replace you. A person using AI definitely will replace you. A person who is using AI will replace you. So from this discussion, from these two lines, what you can learn? What are the conclusion from these two lines?
AI must be no to sustain.
AI compulsory you should be aware. You with AI together should be there. You without AI, if you are not having AI skill, some person who is going to use AI skill, that person is going to replace you. AI is mandatory for you people. AI is not going to replace you, but a person using AI is going to replace you. Okay, remember this. Next, which skills are needed now? Very important, sir. Which skills are needed now? Now, after AI. Okay, so very simple, sir. One thing, learning mindset must be required. Learning mindset must be required. Okay, remember this one. We required be ready to learn new things. Array, at my childhood, I learned Java. Until my last day of my life, I want to get on only with Java. Sorry, friends. Such a type of things gone. Compulsory. You require to have learning mindset every day. Okay, new things. Ready to learn new things. Compulsory. You require to learn new things. Mandatory. Okay, like next, using AI tools. Basic usage. Compulsory required for you people. Okay, basic using AI tools. Using AI tools. Basic tools usage compulsory must be required. Next, the third one, problem solving skills. Problem solving skills. Thinking, not just a typing. Thinking, not just a typing. Not just a typing. This thing must be required. This thing must be required. Okay. Next, communication. Communication. Coordination. Communication. Okay, communication skills must be required. Explaining, speaking, speaking. Okay, explaining, speaking, like these kind of things. Next, the fifth one, very important, sir. Very important. Adaptability must be required. Adaptability must be required. Okay, adaptability means change with the time. Okay, change with the time. Adaptability must be required. These skills must be required. Creative thinking, problem solving skills, communication, adaptability. Just like a water, you require to adapt in any situation. Okay, adapt this new AI as early as possible and better to util something like must be required. Okay, learning mindset, using AI tools, basic usage, problem solving skills, communication, adaptability, these kind of things must be required for you people. Is it clear for you people? So more creative thinking. So A for apple, B for banana, such a type of stories will be gone. Remember 20 tables. Remember 20 tables at our childhood. Do you know? Oh, 20 tables. If any relative is coming, hey, my kid is studying well. Array, can you please tell 18th table? Olden days. But these days, 18th table. What is the need of remembering that bloody concept? Ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to tell what is the need. What is the need of remembering? Can you please give some creative work? More creativity, more thinking, smart thinking, creativity. Okay, thinking skills must be required. Problem solving skills must be required. More innovation kind of thing, out of box thinking. Such a type of skills we require to develop. Not repeated activities, not repeated code, not repeated functionality. Remember this one. So that's what. So student, employee, business. If you use AI, okay, with AI being a student, okay, how AI a student can use? How AI a student point of view, how we can use? Okay, learn faster, learn faster. Okay, you can ask, Array, I want to learn generative AI. Can you please provide in five statements or in one line only? or in 10 lines or 10 days, can you please provide script? Automatically learn very faster. These days, learning any technology is on fingertips. Very easy, friends. Very easy. Okay. Every day one subject we can teach. Every day one subject we can learn. Okay. So practice more. Practice more. Okay. There's more practice opportunity is there, then automatically you will shine. You will shine. Okay, student point of view, like next, the employee, sir. This is the most important, friends. Employee, there are some people who are always asking the question, how I can use your regular day-to-day activities? Your regular day-to-day activities. Better to, with the AI tools, you can speed up the things. Okay, you can speed up the things. You can save time. Okay, you can save time. Array, this is the activity what I am doing. Can I automate this activity? Can I automate this activity? Or is there any simple way to do this activity with AI? Like, better to do that. In your project, whether you are using AI or not, I'm not talking about your day-to-day activities, what you are doing in the company. You are personally think about, can I use AI for automate these activities? Suppose I want to prepare one report every day. Instead of preparing the report manually every day, can I automate this activity? Like, you require to take care. Suppose you require to give the presentation for the team. You have to prepare the presentation. Instead of spending hours of time on the presentation, can I prepare? Can I use AI to prepare this PPT? Like, in your day-to-day activities in the company, you require to use AI. So that being employee, what the advantage by default you are going to get is you can save time. You can save time, so that saved time happily you can use to do some other activities. Okay, to do some other activities. Do smart work. Do smart work. You will grow. Remember this one. Okay. Next up, for business owner point of view. Business owner point of view. Understand the customer. Next, improve the sales. Like, so we can do that. Like, so in your day-to-day activities also, try to use AI. So clear for you people. Any example, any explanation is required? Can I use the word AI is going to replace your jobs? What's the answer?
No, sir.
Yes.
No.
Array, what got changed? AI is going to replace your jobs? Don't worry. Your job roles may be changed. Okay. So AI won't replace your jobs. But a person using AI is going to replace your job. So if you don't want that, you should be the person who is using AI. That thing must be required. Okay, don't worry much. So explore AI tools and how you can use in your day-to-day activities, better to utilize. Next, learn AI related skills so that you will be there in the industry some more time. Otherwise, throw out from the industry. That's it. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is today's 5 minutes. Let me review with my AI. Just have a look once. Just for a few days. Don't expect too much. For okay, let me entered into. Let me entered into AI for you people almost around 365 days. Playlist, life skills with Durga Sir, generative AI and agentic AI.
మీ బాడీ స్ట్రాంగ్.
This is the 5th day session. Can you please confirm audio and video clear? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So have a look once, friends. AI and your job. Fear versus reality. Like the calculator and computer before AI. Okay, like calculator and computer before AI. Before it, AI is a transformative technology that is changing how we work. The reality is not about mass job elimination and about evolution of roles where AI handles boring tasks and empowers humans to focus on what they really best. Okay, so that is, it's not going to remove the jobs. Okay, so mass job elimination is not going to be happen. Just roles are going to be roles are going to be changed. Roles, so where they are best, so they can spend more time on that particular area only. The fear jobs at risk, repetitive and rule based work is most vulnerable. Okay, repetitive and rule based work is most vulnerable. Jobs that involve the same tasks daily with no critical thinking or will be gone. Remember this one: data entry, following simple call scripts, generating manual reports like. Okay, generating manual reports like. Next, the reality: jobs that are safe, human centric skills remain secure. Human centric skills remain secure. Roles requiring creativity, critical thinking, decision making, and emotional connections are safe. Teachers, doctors, managers, designers. Okay, designers means not regular designers, more creative designers you require to take care. Okay, next are leaders who inspire and care. Leaders who inspire and care. Managers, entrepreneurs, politicians. These people, AI is not going to replace. Don't worry at all. Okay, so here the real power: one person plus AI is 10 person's power. Okay, one person plus AI means 10 person's power is going to come. Okay, the golden rule for the AI era: AI will not replace you. A person using AI will replace you. The real competition is not with AI, but with those who leverage it. Remember this one. Okay, essential skills to thrive now: adaptability, learning mindset, problem solving, communication. These kind of areas you require to develop. Okay.
Hello, my dear friends, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something very important, something on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence and what it means for our jobs. This is the big question, isn't it? It can feel a little scary, I know. Will my skills be useful tomorrow? What will happen to my work? Don't you worry. In this little explainer, we will find all the answers together, nice and clear. You know, to understand something new, it's always good to look at a simple story from the past. It's like how our grandparents tell us stories to teach us something important. So, let's begin. Okay, so imagine this. When calculators first came to school, everyone thought, oh no, math teachers will have no work. But did that happen? No. Teachers could now focus on teaching us how to think, not just how to add numbers. Then computers came. Again, people worried for accountants. But their jobs didn't go away. They just got better. They started doing more smart analysis work instead of just paperwork. You see the pattern? And that is exactly what is happening with AI. So, let's separate the scary stories from the simple truth. What are people afraid of, and what is really happening? Let's find out. The fear is that AI is like a big monster that will eat all our jobs. But that's just a story. The reality is much nicer. AI is here to take away the boring, repetitive work. You know, the work that makes you feel sleepy after lunch. This means smart people, like you, will have more time to think, to create, and to do the interesting parts of the job. And guess what? It will even create new, exciting jobs we can't even imagine today. Okay, so let's be honest and look at what kind of work is a little risky and what kind of work is totally safe. So, what work is at risk? Well, think of any copy-paste work. The kind of work that is the same every single day. You know, like when our teacher would make us write one line 100 times in a notebook? That's the kind of boring, no-thinking work that AI is very, very good at. And which jobs are safe? The ones that need a human touch. The work that comes from our heart and our mind. Thinking of new ideas, creating beautiful designs, making important decisions. A machine cannot do these things. Can a computer comfort a child like a teacher can? Or care for a patient like a doctor does? No way. That is our special power. Now please listen to this very carefully. This is the
valuable
most
line.
important thing to remember. AI will not replace you. But A person using AI will replace you. You see the difference? The technology is not the enemy. The real power is with the person who learns how to use this amazing new tool to become even better at their job. So now that we know the truth, what simple things can we do to get this new AI superpower? It's very easy. Let's see. First, always be ready to learn new things, just like a happy student. Second, start using some simple AI tools. Just think of it like learning a fun new game on your phone. Third, always use your brain to solve problems. Don't just copy-paste. Fourth, learn to explain your ideas simply and clearly. And last, be flexible, like water. Be ready to change a little as the world changes. See, it's not rocket science. Here is a very simple way to understand this. It will make everything crystal clear. Imagine this. Before, one person could do only one person's work. But now, with AI as your super fast assistant, one person can do the work of 10 people. AI does the running around, the searching, the organizing, and you do the smart thinking. It doesn't make you useless, it makes you a superhero at work. My dear friends, the future belongs to those who are always learning. While some people are still sleeping and worried, you are awake and learning about this. That means you are already on the right path. Well done! So, to put it all together, AI is not your enemy. It is a new tool, like a pen or a
Can you
computer.
please take this line in your notes? Please take this line in your notes. Because this is the emotional statement. Please take. AI, not your enemy. It is your tool. It is your partner. It is your power. How beautiful. Please take this line in your notes. AI, not your enemy. It is your tool. It is your partner. It is your power. It is your power. Please take. Have you took? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
It is your new partner at work. It is your new power. Thank you so much for listening. And remember, friends, small learning daily makes big success one day. Keep learning with a happy heart and
That's it, friends. So clear for you people. Not required to keep much explanation. Okay, that's all. AI, don't worry at all. It is not going to replace your jobs. Of course, from your side, you require to adapt AI. That thing must be required. Always concentrate on creative thinking, human centric, because repeated jobs, repeated work, all this boring stuff is going to be replaced with AI. Everything will be automated. Okay, our skill should not be automated. Such type of skill we require to adapt. Good. Okay, that's it. Can I stop?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Any doubts? If you have any doubts, please let me know. I will spend some time.
Hi, sir. So, hello.
I have one
Yeah.
thing to share, Durga sir.
Yes.
Durga sir, this is Shekhar.
Shekhar. Yeah, Shekhar Reddy sir.
So, few days before I come across a video of an AI software that somebody built. When you scan the food on the table, it will give you the calories.
Exactly.
So, this video I recollected when you say you cannot taste, you cannot feel kind of things.
Correct.
But
Correct.
AI, I don't know how accurate that calories are, but it says like it will read the calories on the plate.
The calories is based on the type of the food what it is
Exactly.
there. It is not based on the taste of the food.
But even though the food you see like chicken or fish or eggs and whatever it is, a complete diet food, but how it knows like how much by weight is that in the plate? Because if you eat like 1 kg of chicken, that is not. I mean, I don't think so that the picture will tell the AI that the chicken on the plate is like 1 kg.
Yeah.
And it cannot
It
based
is
on
not going
both.
to. Yeah. There are two options, Shekhar Reddy sir. One option is it is going to tell. Suppose if we go to the 5-star hotel somewhere, in the kitchen area, and I mean in the just dining area, just we can see. So gulab jam, next sweets, next chicken, like all these things will be there. So 150 calories per 100 grams. There are some signboards by default will be there. Okay. There are some 5 minutes. There are some boards by default, signboards, boards, small sticker boards by default will be there. So it is telling, okay, it may be one option is it is telling, so per, okay, 100 grams, this much calories, like it is one possibility. The second possibility is if it is telling in this plate total, okay, these many items are there, okay, what is the total number of calories about this one is so and so, like maybe based on the size, it is expecting approximately quantity. Based on that, it is telling total number of calories. But there is disclaimer will be there. AI can do the mistakes.
Yeah, I feel it is a hallucination, I guess.
Have you observed?
Yeah.
Shekhar Reddy sir.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. There is, if it is telling based on total quantity, it is telling that, then it is imaginating, okay, this much seems to be, okay, chicken maybe half kg will be there, or 250 grams will be there around. So for 250 grams chicken, how much calories will be there? One apple is there, how many calories will be there? Seems to be size how much, okay? While scanning, approximately it is going to find out and is going to tell the total number of calories is this. But with the disclaimer, AI can do the mistakes.
Got it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Your name?
Yes, sir. Paritosh Patil.
Yeah, Partosh.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is very practical to see the scenario that AI is definitely replacing the tools, the traditional tools nowadays, and it will be in future. Absolutely. My question is that from the previous evolution of technology, where from calculators to computers to the supercomputers, smart computers, and phones, like that, we are forwarding in the technology. So,
Exactly.
in that manner, if we compare to the previous time periods, then it will take a very slow and gradual kind of evolution. But AI is kind of a revolution. It's very
Correct.
rapidly changing day by day.
Correct.
So, is it right that we can compare to the previous evolutions with the AI evolution revolution, and
Yeah.
in that same manner? And the next thing is that whether it will continuously be there in future, or it will take something different turn. Also, is there any limitations to AI that it will in future? It will like stop there and it will go in different direction like that. You can see, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. Can you please go out? Session. 1 minute. 1 minute. My kids
Yes.
are disturbed.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sorry, my kids. Can you please? Yeah.
Yes.
So here one thing, the thing which is in the olden era, at that time, the revolution, whatever there, okay, relative, the growth, everything, but today's growth, that AI is the same impact. Getting Parjat. In the olden days, whenever calculator came, at that time, what is the scenario? In that, it's a big innovation kind of thing. Getting?
Yes.
Next, when the computer came, today computer is the normal.
Hmm.
Today for computer is the normal. Do you know computer, like we should not ask any person, everyone aware, because it's the normal thing. But once the first computer came into the world, at that time it's the magic.
Hmm.
Next, first mobile came into the picture. Do you know? It's a dream kind of thing in the cinemas. The people, we can talk with the person who is locating at some other place. Directly we can talk, like it is almost it's impossible in their perspective. Mobile phones. Next, okay, we can talk, but we can't see. But these days, what happened? Smartphones, video call. Video call is very common. In the village person also, hey, can you please do video call? Okay, like, so means the generation to generation. At that time, that was the big innovation. Because based on at that time current situations. But here today, AI is the same that level innovation only. Okay, one thing clarity. Second question you asked something like, can you please repeat again?
Yes, sir. Like, will there be any definite point where AI will reach at a certain saturation point, and then there will be some shift to in the technology or
Definitely. It is ongoing evaluation process. Don't feel that current AI. Best example for you. Okay, few days before, everyone talks about Java. And then suddenly full stack Java came into the picture. And then some days, the people, they answer with the cloud. Some people, they answer with the DevOps, especially in learning curve, I'm telling, because I'm coming from training sector like. Then these days, the people are dancing with AI. Are you getting my point, right?
Yes.
Next, tomorrow, some other next level, some other thing may come at that time, which is more advanced than this AI, maybe. So, next level things ready to come. It may take some 4 years or 10 years or maybe 15 years down the line. Maybe next level, compulsory it should be. That evolution, it should goes on. So that's why the last skill what I told, adaptability.
Okay.
That thing must be required if you want to get on in the industry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, as of now, the power is with the AI. Tomorrow, maybe quantum. These days, the people are using quantum physics or quantum mechanics like may create the role, or otherwise some other terminology may come into the picture. That it should be continuous process. That evaluation should be continuous. We should be adaptable. And we have to get on. That thing must be required.
Hi, sir.
Okay.
Can I share
Parjat,
my...
1 minute, one minute, please. Parjat, are you getting
Ye-
right?
Yes, sir. Right. Getting,
Clear
sir.
your doubt?
Yes.
Yeah. Next person, can you?
Yeah, hi, sir. I can share my experience. I have like in total 15 years of experience in the industry right now.
Yeah. Can you
I'm
please your
working.
name, sir? Please.
My name is Navakrishna, sir.
Now Krishna. Yeah, please.
Yeah. So I've been like in this industry, like with Java, I learned from you, and I started my career as Java developer, and now I'm an architect. I see in our company, just it would be a motivation for the people who are online, like just to add the point.
Yes.
So we have like 20 years legacy of code base, which is written in Java. Like even people died who some of the developers also died who wrote that code. Okay, so we started. I think a lot of people are juggling with that. We want to split that in because we are not able to scale and all those stuff. That because of the business requirements. It's a product. So we have a lot of pressure from the management because we are not able to deliver the right features and all. So when I joined 2 years back in this company, I was just started with AI. So we started with AI tools like GitHub and some Amazon AWS tools. It has still it has, and back then as well, like the context window issues, you load heavy code base and all those stuff. We are not able to evaluate it properly. So I took a leap forward and I have written my custom models and all to combine multiple things. Now it become more powerful, like as you mentioned the first statement in this session, like reality versus fear. I was fearing, but the reality I was able to understand over a period of time. So that might be helpful for the people to start with something. If you don't know something, start with the code, like anything, like whatever the daily job, as sir mentioned, that would be much helpful. You are in touch with that tools.
Yes. Compulsory, slowly required
Yeah.
to migrate with
Yeah,
AI
yeah, yeah,
side.
yeah.
Good,
Just
sir.
I thought I want to share this.
Yes.
People like who are in this
So
group.
now at certain point, what will happen is, if you start using that legacy
Mm,
after implementing these new systems or new models,
mm.
now do you know how much power you have, how much easily you are doing the things?
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're right.
So still I want to follow that old legacy only. Then your lifetime by default enough.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
compulsory adaptability, migration. These words must be compulsory for every human being.
Mm.
Sir, very simple
Yeah.
example. Yeah, simple example. Mobile phone means, what is your first mobile phone? Ayo,
Double six, double
almost
zero.
around 26
Nokia.
numbers are there. Nokia?
Nokia.
Nokia. If you go to the mobile shop, Hare, can you please give one Nokia mobile now today? You can ask. Then the people are going to see from top to bottom. Correct, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you please mute someone? Resound is coming.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So if any person is asking, Nokia mobile I want, then they are going to see from top to bottom. The reason for that is Nokia people not adapted based on customer requirements. That's why throw away from the market. Even Microsoft people hand over Nokia, still Microsoft also not in a position to do anything for the Nokia. Next, at your childhood, I hope everyone is 20s, 30s. What is the first TV you saw? First TV.
Black and white TV. Black
Black
and
and
white.
white. What company
BPL.
TV?
Bush. I was using Bush.
Bosch, BPL,
Onida.
Dynora,
Onida.
Onida, these kind of things. Now you can go there and you can ask, sir, I want one BPL TV like. Then the showroom wala is going to see from top to bottom. Are this person is this generation person or old generation person like? Why, man? Why? They're not. Why these people gone? Very simple. Based on customer requirements, customer changing requirements, these people not adapted. These people not changed like that. That's why these companies by default gone. Remember that. Next, camera means camera. Photo camera means Kodak. Have you remembered? Olden days, first
Yeah.
camera. If any person bought the camera, Kodak. Camera means
Yeah.
Kodak brand. But if you go and if you ask in the camera shop, I want Kodak camera, man. I used it my childhood Kodak. Can you please provide? He's going to see from top to bottom. Sir, camera means Sony or Panasonic. These kind of things only. Kodak, such type of stories gone. That was the history. Because Kodak people not adapted. Same style. You will be fade out if you are not adapting according to market trends. Current market trend is AI. Better to adapt, better to inject in your every cell of your body. So, AI enabled version of yourself must be required in current market. Okay, if you go to the, sir, very recently I went to some electronic shop, Bajaj electronic shop. Any item AI enabled. Washing machine AI enabled. Next, do you know AC AI enabled. Fridge AI enabled. Oven AI enabled. Mobile AI enabled. Every item is AI enabled. In Amirpet, courses also. Python with AI. Data science with AI. Testing tools with AI. AI, what is not there? Then the people are not joining. AI everywhere. You have to enable AI for yourself also. Inject in every cell of your body AI. So that your life will become very smoother. You won't become like a Nokia phone or Kodak camera, okay, or otherwise BPL TV like. It will be updated version. Updated version. Like you have to declare yourself. That thing must be required. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm asking you 5 minutes only per day. Just 5 minutes. Better to spend
Sir,
with me.
sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Actually, you told me, told us last time to learn AI, you have to learn Python. So I
Yes, yes.
purchased your course through DurgaSoft. 5,000 I spent. I took full stack Python. Okay, and I watched your video.
Yes.
I was working earlier as a desktop support engineer. I have very less experience in the industry, IT industry. So means, are you going to explain practically in this session or what?
Yes, yes, practically. Generative AI developer point of view also I'm planning to explain. Agentic AI and generative AI. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, and I
Okay,
also am
that's why I asked
learning.
you to
Okay,
have knowledge on Python.
Python, and
Okay,
also I
consumer
watched.
point of view not required to have.
Okay, and also you have taught Linux very well, sir. Means I saw your some video.
Ultimate. I kept my blood like anything. I just
Yes, sir.
Linux is one of my favorite series. You
You
never going to
explain.
see. So that I worked like anything on the Linux area.
Yes, shell scripting you explain very well, sir. Really, thank you so
Yes.
much for that, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So I thought that I want to continue that complete DevOps I want to introduce. That's why I started Linux. But the problem is Corona time, not in a position to prepare properly. Just I left up only with Git and GitHub, Git and only Linux I completed. I didn't. And later I moved to real estate like happened.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Wonderful concept. Linux is one of my favorite subject. I delivered like anything, especially that concept. I hope full, being a faculty, sometimes what will happen, that subject I handle very well. I have full satisfaction, full, like one Linux is one such area for me.
Sir, will you handle DevOps in future if possible?
DevOps already gone.
Okay. Not in the
Slowly,
market, sir. I was thinking
slowly,
to
slowly
join.
fading out. Slowly fading out. Okay, don't tell to DevOps faculties. Okay,
Okay,
slowly fading out. Okay.
okay, okay,
Yeah, maybe there 2 to 3 years, but not future technology. Maybe in future
okay.
some other technology will come. Yeah. Yeah, friends. Any
Sir,
doubt? Praveen, you are asking something.
no, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, that's all, friends. Tomorrow, next 5 minutes, we will discuss.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation part.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, friends. Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you. The
sir.
senior members who ever log in, please continue this session and please educate the remaining people also. Some scenarios, some discussions. Okay, just start on your cameras. Okay, if it is required while explaining. Okay, so share your experiences so that the remaining people are going to get benefit. Better to keep this one as some family, AI family or community kind of thing, so that the remaining people also are going to get benefit. Okay, your experiences, your so challenges what you had, or otherwise lack of AI, what opportunities you missed, or with AI, what advantage you are getting. Okay, all these things better to share so that it's going to be very helpful. Yes, so there are some Raju, like there are some people are there, certified generative AI experts. Next, there are some people who are already working on agentic AI. So those people also will be part of our, so that they will guide you people, okay, to enable AI. Okay, 2026, updated version of yourself. You have to release.
Sure,
Remember
sir.
that. Okay. Yeah, AI enabled. AI enabled. Okay, like you require to use the word. Yeah, Shekhar Reddy sir.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
AI enabled. That what must be required for us also. Okay, right, sir. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation. Thanks for.
Already you follow one earlier you posted in one video how to learn new courses, something went in hotel rooms.
Yeah,
Google will give
there is
all.
one. There is one video is there. How to learn any technology, any subject very easily. Like one YouTube video also. Just I did few days before. Okay, few years before, not few days. maybe 5 years or 6 years or 8 years before I did one video. Just type Durga Sir, how to learn any new technology easily, like you will get that link. Just go through that. It's moreover, one important point I want to tell to you. Just remember that any technology, including AI, I'm not having the fear. The reason for that is all these technologies are going to work based on some rules, some protocols. These technologies are going to work. Okay, these are brainless people. Remember this one. So these technologies are not having any brain. They can't think on their own. Okay, but AI up to certain level, but not fully. Okay, they can't think on their own. So always going to work, always going to behave based on some rules. Suppose here in my system for Java program, I'm getting some compile time error. In your system, for the same code, are you going to get the same compile time error or different compile time error?
Same compile time error.
Same only. Means, okay, oh, so one rule, because of this I'm getting. So for any language, for any technology, there are some fixed rules are there. If I spend some time with those rules, if I do some friendship with the technology, then automatically that technology is mine. Getting the thing? Who asked this question?
Sir, Jagannath.
Jagannath. I hope it's
Jagannath.
clear, right?
Yeah. Yes,
Is it
yes,
clear,
yes.
right? So I
Sir,
never going to fear any technology. Tomorrow you are going to ask me Greek and Latin. Can you please handle? Yeah, why not, man? Next, moreover, I never try for perfection. This is a very important point. I never try for perfection. Let me start. In journey, I will perfect. So believe me, sir, today, sir, are you going to cover agentic AI? Are you going to cover Gen AI developer point of view? Yes, I'm telling yes. But believe me, I don't know that. Believe me, yesterday one person asked, do you know RAG model, sir? RAG, are you going to cover RAG model like? Yes, I will cover. Believe me, I don't know that. I never going for perfection. Slowly, step by step, I will learn. Whatever I'm learning, I will teach you people. So that I will get so that if I'm not if there is any problem, yes, I will refer again. I will like there are some people, boss, I want to get perfection. Then only I will do that. That perfect time never comes in your life. My secret is any technology, first announce a batch, later we will do that. Getting the point?
yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yeah,
that this mindset better to adapt so that you can learn very easily any technology.
yeah. Sir, your
Yes,
course is in depth. Each and every concept you explain in depth. I've learned
definitely.
from lot. Yeah.
Definitely, I will spend more time. I will dig the things and I will explain. I will spend more time and I will explain
Yeah,
just like a school students. I'm
yeah.
assuming that you don't know anything. You are come up with white paper like I'm expecting from base to scratch, from very scratch to very peak level. Definitely, I will do that because I'm the full selfish person. I'm learning those things for me, not for your sake. Of course, with me parallelly, you people are learning.
Okay, sir.
Getting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
I
you.
am also, yeah. I am also learning your Python course and some Python using data analytics library just like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. I gain lots of knowledge from you. Also, your
Yeah.
Django course and MongoDB course gain
Yes.
lots of experience with your
Yeah.
course, and
So
that
those
is
things
very
are
much.
helpful, right, for you
Yeah,
people.
yeah, yeah. I am learning from scratch and learning in-depth concept and writing query. At that time, I am also visualizing in my mind what
Yeah.
what output I can get at that time.
Yeah.
Whenever
Excellent. Excellent.
I am writing that code. Before that, I can compile in my mind
Yeah.
whatever whether they should give me proper result or not.
Yes. Yeah. Excellent. Now, anyway, I came at this time. Why I suddenly appeared is to learn AI. because AI
Yeah,
must
yeah.
be required. If I
Sir,
don't know
I am
AI, then my
yeah,
life maybe I will become victim. That's why. So with me
I am
parallelly, better to learn.
I am still waiting for this course till from 2025 and onwards, whether
Yeah,
Durga
yeah,
sir should take AI course or not, because most of the instructors don't teach very well.
yeah. Sure. Anyway, because you learn multiple things, sync with me, just like
Yeah,
brothers.
yeah, yeah.
So that
Yeah. No,
definitely
sir,
we will.
no, sir, you are my guru, not brothers, you are my guru. I can
Arey,
learn.
you are my brother, man. Okay. Now, if my age is your father age, then you can consider me as uncle or brother, as your wish. So, like, don't treat as a guru. Okay, right. Thank you, friends. Any other doubts, please let me know. Have you ever felt I'm learning from guru? Arey, full Josh, full jovial. Learn from your
No,
friend, learn
I'm
from your
enjoying.
brother, learn from
I'm
your family
enjoying.
member, like better to feel.
I met like you as a teacher that you enjoying and teaching each and every concept with a joy.
Yes, obviously. Learning that
I
I feel
never
very comfortable, very happy.
previously I never met like you as a teacher that
Yeah, yeah,
you teach each and every concept very joy and you can explain with some example that each and every students should learn clearly and explain it to some other.
yeah. Sure, man. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. Any other doubts, please let me know. Otherwise,
I
this
just
5 minute
start,
session, I will stop. Yeah.
sir. I just started Python learning from one. I can go
Yes,
on.
yes.
I mean, your speed is matching to.
Sir,
It
you
will
will
take
take it.
mostly
Good.
1 month time, I think.
Yeah, no problem at all. Don't worry. I won't, because consumer point of view only. So, because this course is designed for 365 days, not for 1 or 2 days.
Right.
Getting the point. So, oddly, some first 2 to 3 months only AI tools we are going to introduce slowly, consumer point of view only. Don't worry. Happily, slowly learn the things.
Just started Python.
Yeah. No issue. Yeah. Okay, that's all, friends. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for your valuable time. Okay.